Hello everybody. We've been using our 10 frames to do some adding, and then we tried some subtraction. Now we're going to count bigger numbers and see what we can find. So as you can see, there are a bunch of 10 frames here. We know that each one that is filled in is a 10, so we can then start counting by tens to see how many there are altogether. So let's try that. So if we count, this one is a 10. And if we're counting by tens, that would be 10, and the next one would be 20. And the next one would be 30. Then the next one would be 40. And then we have 50. Now this one isn't full, so we have to stop and count by ones now. So we are at 50, so we have to add ones now. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So this whole thing equals 55. 55 little monsters. All right, let's try another number. So remember that we are counting by tens because these frames are full. So the first one is 10. The next one would be 20. The next one is 30. Then we have 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. And then we can't count by tens anymore because this frame is not full. So we have to count by ones. So we have 80 here. So 81, 82, 83. So our final number is 83. Okay, here's our last one for today. We are counting by tens because the 10 frame tells us that they are in groups of 10. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we don't have a full one anymore, so we have to count by ones next. So we are at 40, so now it's 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So your final number is 46 for this number. Okay, it's your turn now. You get to choose some questions, some numbers to count. Start making your 10 frames and see how big you can get your numbers.